Okay, so hello students, very good evening to all of you. As you know, I'm your chemistry teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 12th. Okay, so students in a class 12th, as you know, I have started your chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. Clear? And in a haloalkanes and haloarenes, I told you about the formation method of a haloalkanes and a haloarenes. Clear? So today in this video, I'm just going to telling you some physical property of haloalkanes. Okay, so let's start today's topic. So about the physical property, so firstly you have to understand what is a physical property. So students, physical property is belong to the appearances and physical nature, physical quality of the particular substance. Clear? It means what is its color, what is its density, what is its molecular weight, what is its melting point, and what is its boiling point, etc. Clear? So firstly I'm just telling you about the color. Clear? So if you are giving the example of if you are taking different example of a haloalkanes, so generally the alkyl halides, different alkyl halides like alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide. If you give example of methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl chloride, these all are alkyl halides. Yeah, most of the alkyl halides are generally colorless. It means they have no any type of a color. But here are some exceptions also. If we are taking the example of the alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide, okay, and we expose these alkyl iodide and alkyl bromide in the sunlight, then the decomposition reaction will be happen, and these halide group will be separated from an alkyl group and give a particular color. Okay, so I am giving you an example. If we take the alkyl iodide, okay, and when we expose it in the presence of a sunlight, okay, so what will be happen? Then the alkyl group will be separate, and iodine also. So this iodine group which will be separate, that has the violet and brown color. Clearly? Similarly, when we treated the alkyl bromide with in the presence of a sunlight, then it also will be decomposed and give the red brown color. Clear? So firstly you have to remember, when we talking about the color physical property of haloalkanes, so most of the alkyl halides are colorless, and only the bromine and iodine, when it is exposed in the presence of sunlight, then it will give color. Okay, this is important for your practical. Now second property is the boiling point. Okay, so boiling point, you know कि if any particular hydrocarbons या any particular substance or a compound which have a strong bonding and a heavy intermolecular attraction force, having a van der Waals force, then that will be that particular compound or a molecule or a hydrocarbons have a more boiling points. Okay, so what is the decreasing order of the boiling point in different alkyl halides? That are alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride, and alkyl fluoride. Clearly, so as you know, when we are talking about the alkyl halides, so alkyl halide, the bonding between the alkyl halide, that is a polar bonding. Okay, first one, that is a polar bonding. Second one, as the molecular mass will be increased of a alkyl halide, then what will be happen? The molecular attraction force will be also increased, and the number of electrons is also increased. So we can say that the boiling point and melting point will also increase. Okay, now when we talking about for the isomeric haloalkanes, isomeric haloalkanes means the isomers of particular haloalkanes. And what are isomers? Isomers is in which the molecular formulas are same but the structural formula is different, and due to the structural difference in a structural formula, their physical and chemical property will also difference. Okay, so if we taking the example of isomeric haloalkanes, like I have given the example of this halobutane. Yeah, so when the branching will be increased in the isomeric hydrocarbons, then the melting point and a boiling point, yeah, I am giving example boiling point, so boiling point will be decrease. It means as much as branching is increases, मतलब जितनी ही ज़्यादा branching होगी उतना ही ज़्यादा उनकी boiling point में affected होगा, वो decrease होंगे. Okay, as I have written here 1 bromo butane, so its boiling point is this, and the here the 2 bromopropane, so 2 2-bromobutane. So here you know one branching is here, so its boiling point is decreased. As here the 2 branching is also increases, so what will be happen? The boiling point is also decreased. Okay, so this is the two basic physical property of the haloalkanes, students. And then the third physical property, that is the bond strength. So students, as I told you, bond strength, as the dipole moment will be decreases, the bond strength will be also decreases. So the alkyl fluoride has the more strong bond strength. Okay, we can say that as the size will be increases, the bond strength will be decreases. So what will be the order of a bond strength between alkyl halides? So it is that is a alkyl fluoride, then after alkyl chloride, then after alkyl bromide, and then after alkyl iodide, as so on. So this is the bond strength of different alkyl halides. Okay, so this is a few property of a haloalkanes. And students, this all physical property I will tell you and I will explain you in my online class. Okay, so you have to join my online class, and here are lots of things have to explain here. So these all things I will explain in my online class, and different doubts you have so related in these properties. So these all things I will tell you in my live classes. Clear? So this is all about of my today's video, and you have to watch this video, and if have you any query about this, so you can ask me. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.